Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you a new short-term airdrop from the project called Commons. So you have only 1 day 12 hours to join in this airdrop. Also only the top 1000 get the airdrop, so keep this in mind. So Commons Vouch Event is really interesting and a different concept. Here you can see vouch. From here you can give 5 vouches. When you create your account you can use one account to give a maximum of 5 vouches. Meaning you can give this vouch to 5 people and you can give 5 slashes. Now what is a vouch and what is a slash? Vouch means that the score here will increase, meaning if you vouch for someone their score will increase, and if you slash someone then their score will decrease, meaning these points will be deducted. To join the airdrop, first you need to click here claim with X, then select Twitter and then authorize and wait for the verification. And your account will be set up. Then click here join. After waiting for a little while you will see your score displayed here. Then below there will be a button saying take my place. Then click on profile and you need to connect your GitHub account. So click on connect, then authorize and done. Alongside this you can see there is an option called gift code. So click on enter. I have also provided that code in the Telegram post. You will copy it and enter it here. Then when you click enter it will be applied to your account. Then you will get a 1.5x boost from here. Then what you need to do, just copy this tweet link from the Telegram post and paste this on your Twitter account. Then here you need to change this with your Twitter username and select an image and post it. Also you can copy this comment and post it with your username. Now after you make this post you need to get comments on this post. How will you get comments? From each of your IDs you will tell them to copy this thing and comment here. That means you have to comment this thing here from another ID. You cannot comment from your own ID. You have to comment from another ID. When these comments come to your ID you will receive a vouch from each of the IDs that commented, and that vouch will be added here. You will see that your points will gradually keep increasing. So that's it for this video. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.